Earth, a very important part of our everyday lives, not only because we live on it, but because of the nature we're surrounded by. Unfortunately, we're not an intergalactic or interstellar species yet, but we love Earth how it is. Instead of talking about why we desperately need Earth and the nature we're surrounded by, I want to talk about a different subject, a force that drives the movements of the Earth's continents. I give you Earth's driving force. Alfred Wegener, a German scientist in the early 1900s, proposed a largely disagreed theory at that time. He proposed that continents fit together like puzzle pieces and later drifted apart, forming our current map. He later found further evidence that would prove his theory. Unfortunately, most scientists didn't even want to take a look. Thanks to Wegener's proposal of continental drift, we now understand most of these movements. Earth's crust is split apart into tectonic plates, two kinds being continental and oceanic. These contain continents and oceans we know of today. Continents move by a force called convection. This convection is a current that creates a circular motion of cooled magma going down and heating up, eventually rising to cool it down, restarting the process. An example of this would be seen in lava lamps. This force causes plates to move towards, away, or past each other. Each of these movements are called boundaries. Transform boundaries happen when two plates slide past each other. This causes earthquakes that lead to tsunamis and creates faults. A well-known fault is the San Andreas Fault in California. Divergent boundaries happen when two plates split apart and causes a rift valley or a mid-ocean ridge. This also causes sea floor spreading. When the plates diverge, magma rises to the top and cools down. Convergent boundaries happen when two plates collide and can cause mountains, volcanoes, or trenches. The most famous landform caused by a convergent boundary is Mount Everest, standing at about 29,029 feet tall due to a continental convergent boundary. When two oceanic plates collide, also known as oceanic, a trench is formed. Most of the time when a continental and oceanic plate collide, it brings volcanoes. This happens because oceanic plates are more dense than continental plates, so the oceanic plate sinks, creating a subduction zone. Subduction is the process that takes place at a convergent boundary, where one plate moves under another and is forced to sink due to gravity into the mantle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this will help you further understand the idea of tectonic plates and their movements.